welcome to Market Bag. This week we're at the Linstead Market and we're joined by special guest Clay Jones. He's a social media personality and poultry farmer. He's going to be showing us around, right Cleo?
Ready.
Okay, let's go. Are the prices up this week or down?
Cabbage is down, tomato is still a bit high, Irish down, sweet pepper coming down as well, carrots.
So it's a good time for people to come out and shop?
Yeah, they can now.
Clay, what does a day in a life of a poultry farmer look like?
Alright, so a day can range from picking up baby chicks in the morning, delivering chicken, gathering labor force to do a harvest or a slaughter, going to the feed store or the feed mill to pick up some feed. So you never know what the day can bring. It's just a wide variety of tasks and that's what the day will do.
What is one of your favorite things to do on your farm?
I would say harvest day because that's the day when you reap the reward of your hard work. So I love harvesting.
So since Melissa, you must have had some setbacks. Have you seen any improvements?
Of course, I had setback a few infrastructural damage. So I had to replace things like zinc, a few of the tanks got destroyed and so forth. But of course, after Melissa, with the help of my market and so forth in the restaurants and all my customers who were supporting me, I was able to pull together some funds and kick off back the operation.
Okay guys, there you have it. Some of the prices are still high like tomato and some of the prices have decreased like cabbage. So Clay, how do you enjoy the market?
I love Linstead Market. Shout out to the vendors. They had some very fresh produce on display today. Some of the prices are going down for some things, so kudos to them for that. So feel free to come out and shop.
Okay guys, till next time, join us for our next episode of Market Bag.